Hi everyone, for those of you eager to dive into DIY haircut, this tutorial is your go-to guide for mastering the shadow fade, perfect for beginner barber. Throughout, you will discover advanced techniques commonly employed by professional barbers to elevate their skill. First, I prep my client hair by stretching it out for a pristine canvas. Now, I start by establishing my initial guideline slightly above the line-up area. Using no guard with the lever fully open, I drop down while maintaining consistency in the process. I switch to the number 1 guard with the lever fully closed, creating another 1-inch guideline. I ensure it runs parallel to the previous one. Always keep the canvas clean by combing during the fade. Moving onto the 1.5 guard with the lever fully open, I establish another full-edge guideline, maintaining uniformity as I progress to the back. Switching to the number 2 guard, the last guard for this haircut, with the lever fully open, I blend the side to match the top hair. I can regularly use your comb to uphold a clean canvas. Now, I transition to the number 1, starting at the visible line created by the 1.5 guard. I make my initial push about half an inch. This is where the pros shine. The detail. Watch as I employ my pen tool, utilizing the corners of the blade to navigate the panel and create a seamless transition. Finally, I remove the guard with the lever fully open, crafting a gradient fade. Using the corners of the blade, I achieve an even more astonishing transition. Follow along as I continue to clean up the rest of the panel.